We are Team 11329, Ice Robotics, and this is our 2022 robot, Snowdrift. This year's 2022 game, Freight Frenzy, is won by making quick and effective cycles scoring game pieces. Team 11329 decided that in order to score as much as possible, the robot had to have driver aids in order to speed up cycle times and a variety of autonomous modes that can score multiple game pieces starting from different locations on the field. The core of our autonomous modes comes from the custom OpenCV vision code, which allows us to read which level of the Alliance Hub the robot should place the preloaded freight on. The robot uses a webcam to read the 3 tape squares as a barcode. The team shipping element covers one of the 3 squares, and the robot uses whichever combination is left to determine where to place the preloaded freight. Our team recognized that with in-person events, it was possible some teams would want to double cap and require their own team shipping element. We designed our software to read the correct level no matter what is covering the tape. This makes our robot versatile to any possible alliance partner. We can see our 2 main auto programs here. One where the robot places the preloaded freight on the Alliance Hub, grabs another from the warehouse, and places it on the top level before parking. The next one places the preloaded freight and then spins the carousel to deposit the duck onto the field before parking. Our warehouse autonomous was very difficult to get right. Oftentimes, when the robot would come back, the robot would be in a different location due to the variability in the arrangement of the freight. When working with fixing this issue, we determined it was necessary to use a time-of-flight sensor on the front of the robot in order to detect how far away the robot is from the field wall. The robot drives away from the warehouse after picking up a freight, reads the distance from itself to the nearest wall, and stops when it is 100 centimeters away, plus minus 1 centimeter. This means it is able to get the correct distance out of the warehouse every single time. This addition has greatly improved our autonomous accuracy and has allowed us to guarantee 2 freight in autonomous every single match. Aids. We will start with our LED system. The robot has a rev color sensor placed in the intake in order to detect if the robot has a freight or not. In addition to this, the robot can tell you whether it has a yellow block, a white ball, or a yellow duck, and reacts accordingly on the LEDs. In addition to this, the robot alters the maximum outtake speed of the intake, making sure that every single object is carefully placed on the top level. Lastly, in Endgame, the robot has a button on the controller to spin the carousel. This button starts the carousel spinning at a slower speed before speeding up. This means that the robot can score every single duck faster in Endgame without the risk of the duck slipping or falling off the edge. Any further questions about the controls of our robot, please reference our engineering portfolio or ask our team during our judging session. Thank you.